Seloc Online is a mechanical repair database that is accessed via the internet. We are sure you will agree that accessing mechanical repair information has never been so easy and time efficient. Our database of repair information is written so each procedure is between 1 and 3 pages in length. No bulky manual that doesn't lay flat next to your engine, no greasy smudge marks on your spec pages, and no yellowing of paper. In addition to the functionality benefits of Seloc Online, you also get quick access buttons to the following databases: wiring diagrams, specifications, parts, and maintenance intervals. Seloc Online is so easy to learn, we will have you up and working in less than 10 minutes. So let's get started. Seloc Online is a subscription product that allows the user to access a single manufacturer year and model engine, typically what you would have in your driveway or stowed away at a boat slip. You could access Seloc Online with your unique username and password from anywhere that you have access to the internet. If you have purchased a Seloc Online CD at a participating marine dealer or retailer, first make sure you are connected to the internet and then insert the Seloc CD into your CD drive. A flash screen on the CD will then appear and launch you directly to seloconline.com to set up your username and password. If for any reason the self-running CD does not launch you directly to our website, simply type in seloconline.com and proceed. If you decide to purchase your subscription online, you will first complete the credit card transaction through our secure shopping cart prior to setting up your username, password, and selecting your engine. Next, you will enter your email address, which becomes your username. And finally, you will set up a unique password and input the serial number contained on the label inside your CD case. The next step in the process is to select your engine, manufacturer year and model, or horsepower of your engine. As you enter Seloc Online, notice the buttons across the top of the menu. The first button, Repair, is where you will access all of your mechanical repair procedures for your engine. The great feature about Seloc Online is ease of navigation and organization of data. Our editorial staff uses a common format for writing, and regardless of the manufacturer, one will always locate the operation you want to perform in our unit repair sections. Once you become familiar with Seloc Online, you will be able to access the repair operation for any manufacturer and engine model in less than a minute. Now that is real productivity. Next to repair, you'll find maintenance schedules. Here you'll find maintenance interval schedules for operations from anode inspection to steering system lubrication. Next to maintenance schedules is wiring. Here's where you'll find schematics provided in easy-to-print formats and are organized by engine system. Next is specifications. In this section, you will find complete specifications from alternator to torque specs, and these are organized by engine system. In our newest module, Parts, now includes parts for Johnson Evinrude and Yamaha engines. By the summer of 2004, Seloc Online will have a parts database covering 11 engine manufacturers and more than 6,000 parts. Click on the Parts button and notice that the parts is organized by system. You can click on the part description and the image of that part, the Sierra part number, suggested list price, and the OEM numbers are shown. Seloc Online also includes a hyperlinked index. You can utilize this area for quick access to unit repair sections. All of our components and topics are listed here in alphabetical order. An alphabetical guide is listed at the top of the index. For example, if you are looking for thermostat, click on the letter T at the top of the index and search through the listings for thermostat. Once you locate the topic you are looking for, click on it and it will take you directly to the unit repair section. In our newer engines, the search mechanism is driven by a word search. For example, search on water pump, and here are the results. Click on either hyperlink and it will take you directly to the repair operation. Let's take a look at a couple of repair examples. Not only can you access the procedure quickly, but notice some of the exclusive features of Seloc Online. We provide a skill levels rating to every procedure in Seloc Online from 1 wrench, which is easy, to 4 wrenches, which is for the more skilled technician. Over 60% of all procedures can be done by the average do-it-yourselfer. That translates into a lot of savings and will get you on the water quicker. Besides skill level ratings, Seloc Online also provides you with special OEM and electronic tool icons where applicable. Also notice that each of our photos, exploded views, spec charts, and wiring diagrams are presented as thumbnail images first, and you have the option of maximizing them to full size for viewing or printing. Much of the photography we now produce is in color. Now let's say that we have removed that thermostat. Let's now locate the part we will need to replace the bad thermostat. Click on the Parts button, and since we are working in the cooling system, click on the cooling system and locate the thermostat. If you click on the description, you will see the image of the part, the Sierra part number, and the OEM equivalent part number, and the suggested list price. Let's try another repair. Click on the Repair button. Notice at the beginning of the starter section the different informational and repair topics Seloc covers, from component location to testing to removal and installation. Now we need to order that part. Click on the Parts button, and since we are working in the electrical system, click on Electrical and locate the starter motor. If you need to access the wiring schematic, just click on the Wiring button and click on the thumbnail image of the model option engine you have. We here at Seloc are convinced that you will find the content of our site worth every penny, but we're always looking to improve, so email us your comments and suggestions. And thank you for visiting Seloc online.